ZEROXCLUB BL104 Wireless Backup Camera Review. Solar Magnetic RV System Real Results.
You're backing a 40-foot RV into a tight campsite with your partner waving frantically in the mirror, and you still can't see the post behind your rear bumper. A truck owner I know scraped his trailer hitch against a concrete bollard because his single backup camera had a dead zone on the left side. That blind spot panic is real. Ever felt that cold sweat while reversing? That mounting tension every time you reverse drains the joy from every trip. You've tried wired cameras that required drilling holes and routing tables through your entire RV, hours of frustrating installation. A fifth-wheel owner I know abandoned his wired system after the cables corroded within one season. The overwhelm is suffocating. There has to be a wireless, flexible, truly practical way to see everything behind you. Then everything changed when I found the ZEROXCLUB BL104 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera System. Don't just pick any wireless backup camera. Make sure it has magnetic mounting with solar-assisted rechargeable batteries so you never waste time on complicated wired installations and dead camera batteries again. This system includes 4 HD 1080p magnetic cameras that snap onto any metal surface instantly. No drilling, no wiring, no permanent modifications. The 10.1-inch touchscreen monitor displays quad view or dual view of all 4 cameras simultaneously, giving you complete visibility around your entire rig. The built-in 9,600 mAh rechargeable battery with solar charging keeps cameras running for extended periods, and the automatic power management turns cameras on and off with the monitor, so you never drain batteries by forgetting. Here's what surprised me. The dual antennas with signal booster maintain stable, lag-free video even at highway speeds with up to 300 feet of open area range. An RV owner I know nearly backed into a low fence post at a crowded campground, but caught it instantly on the quad view screen and stopped with inches to spare. The included 32 GB DVR recording is a bonus worth exploring next.
6 months in, the ZEROXCLUB BL104 has fundamentally changed how I approach every reversing maneuver and campsite arrival. Morning hookups are calmer because I see every angle before I move. Highway driving feels safer with continuous rear monitoring. No more guessing. An RV equipment analyst highlighted this system for its solar-powered cameras, DVR looping, and expandability that make it particularly suitable for full-time RVers. A verified Amazon buyer shared quality build and performance. The range on receiving from the cameras is incredible, with no loss in image quality. Power consumption is minimal. I would recommend this system based on quality, ease of use, and video capabilities. Another owner of a 40-foot diesel pusher reported, "I now have a complete outside view while driving, and in a big RV, it is definitely needed. Great system for serious RVers." I was initially concerned about whether magnetic mounting would hold securely at highway speeds, but the strong magnetic base grips metal surfaces firmly. Multiple users confirm cameras staying put through extended interstate travel and rough roads. The IP69K waterproof rating handles rain, dust, and harsh conditions without issue. See why more RV and trailer owners are switching to fully wireless camera systems now. What matters most to you? Easy mounting, solar charging, or quad view monitoring?
The ZEROXCLUB BL104 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera System delivers complete RV and trailer visibility. 4 magnetic cameras, solar-assisted batteries, HD quad view touchscreen, and DVR recording without a single wire to run. Thousands of RV owners and trailer haulers are already using it for safer reversing and confident highway driving. Results may vary based on vehicle setup and conditions, but the wireless convenience is immediate. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. Click through and experience the difference today. Your next campsite deserves this peace of mind.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.